Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will give a detailed breakdown of the trade that I took yesterday on Euro USD, which was of 1 is to 2 RR risk to reward ratio. This was the trade, this was the 4-hour time frame, and this was the 15-minute time frame. It was about around 1 is to 2 hour risk to reward ratio. So without wasting any time, let's deep dive. So this was the daily time frame. Price was in clear uptrend from here. It was creating break of structure, break of structure, break of structure with strong volume, candle body closing above the swing high. But here price created a failure swing. So I was expecting a bearish move. If we go to the weekly time frame, I was expecting a clear bearish move to this zone. I marked this zone on and pointed attention to this zone on my Twitter account. So price came to this zone. This was the mitigation block, or you can say this was the order block, but I took this as mitigation block because price uh, take out this buy side liquidity and then came down and tapped this mitigation block. So price reacted from here, from this mitigation block that I marked on weekly time frame. Price gave a strong pullback from this zone with clear IFEG and FEG with this side, on this side. So this was the failure swing. I marked this zone when price was around here. Price tapped this daily FEG, as you can see here, and price gave a clear breakout structure. I marked this zone on daily time frame, and I also pointed out this attention to this point on my Twitter account. This was the daily order block, and this was the FEG. You can also call it liquidity void. Price reacted from here, so I was expecting a bearish move at least to this point. This was the daily order block. So price reacted from here and then went up. So in 4 hour, if you look at here, this was the zone that I marked and I pointed attention again on my Twitter account. This was the order block with clear FVG below here. Prices tap this FVG, sweep this high, and give me a CRT model. Basically my strategy is simple. I combine ICT, which help me build bias, and then I for entry I wait for the CRT to form. This was the order block on 4 hour that I marked, and when price tap here, it created an inside bar. This was the inside bar, and then with the next candle, price sweep the high and candle body closes in the body. So this was a strong confirmation. My first bias was here 50%. I usually take profit at 50% of the range. This was the range that was created, and this was the manipulation. So my strategy is simple. I take 50% profit, a partial close at 50% of the range, and then my full TP is candle range low or high. So price created this CRT model for me, and then I was expecting a bearish move first to this zone. So when I went to the 15-minute time frame, this was the model that price printed for me. So price sweep this high, candle range high, and give me a turtle soup. Sorry guys. This was the turtle soup that price printed. Sorry, I haven't created the template. This was the turtle soup that price printed and gave me a clear CISD. Basically I wait for the high time frame POI to tap, and then on 15 minute I look for my entry. This was the this was my PY. This order block was my PY. When price tapped this PY, after CRT I went to the 15 minute, and on 15 minute I look for this model. This is my entry model. Basically it says first price sweep the high with body candle closing in the wick. So this is basically called turtle soup with 4 hour order block. This was the trade that I took on gold like previously, and then price printed CISD with clear FEG or IFEG. So my first entry is on IFEG at start of IFEG or 50% mean threshold of IFEG, and then my second entry I look for breaker block. This is my second entry, and I target the low, previous low or high. So this is my entry model. You can take a screenshot or note this down. Price printed same model here. Price sweep the high, created turtle soup, then price give me a CISD with clear IFEG. So sorry, this is FEG. Price break through this, so this become IFEG. I was in college at this time, so I didn't take trade from here. So when I open my chart, price was around here. So when I apply the kill zone indicator, price was printing this Judas swing before the London session. If you can see, London session start from here, and price printed this Judas swing and tape this order block with clear FEG. So I took my entry on market order, and my SL was above this swing. Basically you can as I have said in the model that you can place the stop loss at the 50% of the wick that sweep the high and body candle closes below or above the 50 above the wick. Here I on above the FEG you can place the SL, but it become a little bit risky, so to avoid risk I place my SL above the wick, and this was around 2 1:2 ratio. First price printed this Judas swing before the London session, and then price came down and hit my target, which was CRT low on the 4-hour time frame. This was my target. Basically this was my bias on 4-hour price. Sweep this high, body candle closes in the body, right, and it was my key level. And then CRT must be created at key level, which is usually higher time frame order block or FEG. So price created this CRT on 4-hour order block, sweep this high, body candle closes below here. So your first target must be if you enter here, your first target must be 50% of the range, and then your full target will be CRT low. And same I did this with I took basically capture this trade. This was the CRT low, my target, and my entry was here. After CASD is printed, your first entry must be here, but I was not like available at this time. I was in college, but when I opened this chart in the college, the price was moving around here. Price was creating this Judas swing. So when price rejected from this order block, 15-minute order block with clear FEG, and as you can see, price also created IFEG here. So this was a high confirmation that price will move down in the London session. This was the London session. This was the Judas swing that was created before London session. Sorry, and this was the fast move. Price didn't waste any time, and it was a quick move that I captured yesterday. So thank you for watching. If you want, I can create a video, detailed video on this entry model. And this is one of the best entry model that I have found uh, till now. And I hope you like this video. And I usually post my uh, every entry or my analysis on my Twitter account. You can follow me here, which is Hamid Bangash, and I will also link this in the description. And I will also put the this my entry model that I have showed you before on the in the description, so you can download it from there. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.